I worked at one company. They did not only was UX being done from a CX perspective, and when I say that, very holistic. Instead of focusing on engaging with the product, they got involved in the beginning. The UX team got involved in the beginning. The UX team got involved in the support and all the other elements and routing people back into the purchasing funnel. And there was a CX team. So the only time I've ever experienced this way, I should say, in my career, we got to work together. We connected, we sat, we talked, we discussed what our efforts were. We talked about what we can do to help one another. And that was about the time that I began handling my UX practice. No matter where I worked and whether or not the company was doing it, I would look at it from a CX perspective